Today, we're going to draw something super cool. A police monster car. It's big, fun, and it has huge wheels.
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub.
Let's start. First, let's draw 2 big wheels. Draw a circle. Now draw a bigger circle around it, and an even bigger circle. Wow! Great! Now do the same thing for the second wheel. Now let's connect the wheels. Draw a rectangle shape between the wheels. This is the base of our monster car. Time to make it fancy. Draw springs on top of both wheels. Boing, boing. Now draw the car body on top of the base. Let's add details. Draw the backlight and the front light. Now draw the windshield and the side windows and door. Draw 2 bars at the bottom to support the wheels. Now draw a police warning light on top of the car. Let's write Police on the body. Nice job, everyone! Our drawing is complete. Now, let's make our drawing look even better. Trace over it with a bold and sharp outline. Wow! It's really popping now!
Yay!
Now it's time to color. Let's check out our colors. Red color.
Wow!
Blue color. Yellow color. Orange color. Light blue color. Light yellow color. Light pink color. Purple color. Awesome work, little artists! Your police monster cars look amazing! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub for more fun drawing videos. See you next time! Bye-bye!
Yay! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.